Hey, I wanted this to be a quick unboxing here of the Amazfit Bip 6. Picked this up for 80 bucks from Target. Plus taxes, came out to like 86 something or other. So this is not an expensive smartwatch by any means. Let's see if I can get this out there. There we go. I just didn't want to rip the box. Very different packaging here. We have our charging little puck here, and just like the T-Rex that I did I think a couple months ago now, it does USB Type-C. You can use any USB Type-C there, and that will charge it on up. And grab this. Again, try my hardest not to rip any of this packaging. All right, and this is the blue-black. So the entire thing is kind of like a blue-black. So like the band is a blue-black. I'd say more black. And this lighting looks very, very crazy dark blue, maybe like black with a hint of blue in it. And then the casing as well, at least in this lighting, looks pretty much just like the case. It looks like a very dark blue slash blue-black, which is what it is called, of course. So we have two buttons here, and you can see the top one is going to be textured. Looks to be mics, I do believe that is. And speaker, I want to say. Again, don't quote me on this. I believe that is what those are though. And then undo the band here. All right, so you have your heart rate and all that good stuff there. These bands are just standard bands. You can just pop them on and off. Not sure which size they are. Don't think it says on here anywhere. They are just standard bands. I'm sure we can look that up. And then you also have the little Amazfit symbol there as well. It's a nice looking watch, especially for how much this thing cost. It feels pretty decent too. Like the band feels nice. The watch itself feels alright as well. Nice size. Very, very nice size. And of course, we'll have the loop in there. My computer do this very easily, but not how I am set up, that is. But yeah, very, very nice looking. Again, only 80 bucks. Stay tuned. I'll be making some videos on this. I know you can download maps and stuff to this $80 watch, which is crazy. It is a part of like their more expensive Amazfit T-Rex higher end ones as well. So we'll see how this does. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good one. See you next time. Goodbye.